That's a difficult question to answer because the Ohio Supreme Court is the court, the highest court in the state constitutionally that reviews the death penalty cases. I can assure you that when the Ohio Supreme Court reviews a death penalty case, it is done according to the Constitution and according to the laws of the state of Ohio. Some of the changes that were part of that report certainly need to be considered and they need to be addressed. Many of those concerns, though, were concerns for the legislative branch of our government and not the judicial branch of government. I think one of the points that I would like to make is that the Ohio Supreme Court is not a rubber stamp for the death penalty cases. I myself have written opinions that had overturned the death penalty when it came to the court for review because of irregularities below. And I think you all know that the cases come from the trial court directly to the Ohio Supreme Court by virtue of the Constitution. We take very seriously our responsibilities on the court. One of the things that I would have liked to have seen is the participation of the court in that ABA study, which I think is a very large missing component, is that the Supreme Court was not a participant, and I think as a result there were some shortcomings in the contributions to the discussion. I am perfectly willing, and I look forward to continuing the discussion based on that report, but that's a discussion that has to be taken, has to take place with the Sentencing Commission, with the legislature, and also with the executive branch of the state of Ohio. And as I said, I think we do a very, very good job. Currently, with the makeup of the court as Chief Justice, I will be very anxious as a Chief Justice and a former prosecutor and trial judge to bring my experience into that discussion. Thank you.